Welcome to CAD Technologies. Today we are going to see delete duplicate objects, or otherwise called overkill. Autocad have a great future for removing double up or duplicate or overlapping lines, arcs and polylines. A line is drawn and the another line is accidentally drawn directly on the top of it, like this. By entering overkill, the second line can be deleted. In the duplicate object command, click Home tab. The Modify panel, the symbol of delete duplicate object is here. Otherwise, in command line, you have to shortcut of overkill is OV, and then press enter. At the select objects in the selection method to select objects, I have to select the entire objects and then press enter. The ignorance of the object properties, you have to select OK, then pick and move the objects. The duplicate objects will be deleted like this. The overkill process can be erase unneeded information from drawings, clean up work environment, and possibly delete unnecessary layers. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share the